Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 6500 watt RV ready inverter with CO Shield. Lightweight with a folding handle and wheels, this portable unit is perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's Easy Start dial takes the confusion out of starting an engine, and Champion's Smart Economy mode can provide quieter operation, extended engine life, and better fuel economy when running under a reduced electrical load. This inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily bring you power while you're on the road, as well as 2 GFCI duplexes, a 30 amp locking outlet, a 12 volt DC outlet, and a dual port USB adapter for easy charging on the go. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shut-off system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 6500 watt RV ready portable inverter with CO Shield. Your perfect choice for quiet, dependable power wherever you need it.